Hello teacher, my name is Anjuli Villamizar Hernandez and my group is 96. I'm going to present you the video about the company that I chose of the previous activity. Okay, I choose this company because it's a very common case and maybe you can see that it doesn't pollution much, but it's the opposite. A restaurant produces too much garbage. For example, in Colombia, 9.76 million tons of food are wasted per year, according to a study carried out by the National Planning Department, enough to feed a city like Bogota and its 8 million people for 365 days. In this restaurant, the employees take out the garbage all days, when the only days for it to be picked up are Monday, Wednesday, and Saturdays. And the other day, dogs and cats destroy the bags and spit it through the street. On the other hand, they should separate organic food from plastics to be able to recycle better. Thus, there will be less garbage in landfills. I think that people have to have the habit to recycle and to change the way to consume. For example, not use of styrofoam, not consume processed food, use ecological bags, among others. There are little actions, but they are very important.